it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we're here with Chronic Law with Salt Gyal. Chronic Law, Salt Gyal, on the Chakka Riddim. So the one produced by DJ Mac and Crash Dummy Production. Shot by Dark Moon. Big up on the set. Big up the production team behind the one. Have DJ Mac. Big up yourself, bro. You put in the work. See that? We love that. You see me? Labas! Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Let's go. DJ man. My good man. Take the number, she don't get no call. Me no ramp with energy, dog. I know everything I want. Yeah. She link up, but me no fuck it. Yeah, she look pretty, but the pussy bad lucky. Say she have 2 ex-man, where you dopey and a boy where you run after man. Me no trust him.
Hey! Yo, when we start? I'm gonna think me have to talk, you know, but I don't want to talk too much, you know. Hear me I say? You have some girl out there with salt, like naturally salt, brother. Any man where she fuck, either dead or they are prison. So that boss I tell you, say, yo, this a girl, him link her up, but him not fucking cause hear what? The energy, him not feel the energy. You know why him not feel the energy? That girl have 2 ex-man with a dopey, 2 ex-man with a 6'6", 2 ex-man are dead. And the next G, they are prison. So that boss no want end up dead or they are prison if you not salt, girl. Some of them girl are all salt. No matter what them do. Sometimes they even them, you know. Sometimes all them mad to do certain things and just fall back down on the fitness show line and just salt them up, you know. Yeah, some of them girls just curse.
You know ramp with energy, dog. I know everything I want. Yeah. She link up, but me no fuck it. Yeah, she look pretty, but the pussy bad lucky. Say she have 2 ex-man, where you dopey and a boy where you run after man. Me no trust him, girl, me just admire. You probably touch it and get 4 flat tire.
Yo, some girl just admire because you probably fuck it and get all 4 flat tire. You probably fuck it and drive out in your car, boom, car crash, you mash up. You see me? Like some girl does naturally salt.
Me not trust him, girl, me just admire. You probably touch it and get 4 flat tire. I want me hear a walkie goes on the backfire. Me don't tell campfire you a hot liar.
I want me hear a walkie goosey on the backfire. What me telling you earlier on? A good all our mother curse fall down on her. You see me? Them thing that happen, bro.
I want me hear a walkie goes on the backfire. Me don't tell campfire you a hot liar. Mama better you go walk tight. No. Some girls sound like that wife.
Some girls sound like that wife. Do the research in the Bible upon Lot and him wife.
Me hear a walkie goes on the backfire. Me don't tell campfire you a hot liar. Mama better
me don't tell campfire. Sorry. Me don't tell campfire you're a hot liar. Campfire. So what you say she hot like say him don't say she hot already. So him don't tell campfire. Mama me don't tell her say you're hot liar.
Who's on the backfire? Me don't tell campfire you a hot liar. Mama better you go walk tight. No. Some girls sound like that wife. iPhone 15 top life. I which girl I use Nokia flashlight.
iPhone 15 top life. I wish girl I use Nokia flashlight. People still I use flashlight.
iPhone 15 top life. I which girl I use Nokia flashlight. Good pussy don't come with bad vibes.
Good pussy don't come with bad vibes. So him just pick her up a while ago and now you see police look like it's about to put him over. Labas is a youth like this. Him always think outside of the box, bro. Like Labas topics and subjects them when sing about, you hardly find any artist. I even dream about them subject there, bro. I fax the man I thought though.
Good pussy don't come with bad vibes. Wrong timing, call back on time. Did I get it one in long time? And everything glitter name gold. Me still sip a 12 pound small road till the feet.
I know everything glitter gold, you know. Remember, say your granny don't tell that, your mother don't tell that when you grow up. And I know every kin tita laugh, and everything glitter gold. So the boss I said, not because I get her pretty and she look good, and that doesn't mean that she's a gold. She's a keeper. She's not. She's crosses.
And everything glitter name gold. Me still sip a 12 pound small road till the face ID. So we still a use code. Judge a book by cover, you a joke. Enough nigga get tricked with IG post. Me live
Catfish. Sorry. Catfish. Enough nigga get tricked through IG posts. When them girl put on them filter and titivate up and put on them clothes and put Chris, good. But we not see more in a person, a rat bat. Big up all the ladies, I'm not saying the ladies, and I'm just speaking the facts. Big up the ladies, them. You see me? Big up the natural beautiful ladies, them. Big up the ladies, them do them enhance stuff, make themselves look good and don't overdo it. Cause you have some girl overdo it, and when the man wake up beside them, running, start. You know, fuck you go on.
Judge a book by cover, you a joke. Enough nigga get tricked with IG post. Me live a whiter than me Air Force, but me nah walk. That's a friend your pussy make ghost.
Me live a whiter than me Air Force. Someone say you him love fuck. Him love fuck girl, but hear what? Him now walk this from your pussy make go. Yo. The boss I show you say yo, him cocky have principle. Not because him love fuck. Not because the little head down there so he not gonna make the little head rule the big head. Big head more stronger than the little head. That's what the G tell you.
Me live a whiter than me Air Force, but me nah walk. That's a friend your pussy make ghost. She in a mesh with everything exposed, but
she come out enticing. She come out in her sexy lingerie, the sexy googly. But guess what? Me still now walk this for me a wall out. Me strong night. You see me? Yeah, me not give in to the fuckery.
Friend your pussy make ghost. Yeah. She in a mesh with everything exposed, but remember better you go walk tight. Yeah. Some girls sound like that boy. iPhone 15 top life. I which girl I use Nokia flashlight. Good pussy don't come with bad vibes. Wrong timing, call back on time. Did I get it one in long time? Feeling up, but me no bother here. Said it's a crowded like artist cabana. So all when the banana not tough like spanner. Me a link for me two Spanish girl in a Panama.
How anything in my pants tough? How anything tough? Guess what? Me still not link. Better me go link to outer port girl. Better me go link to a Spanish girl. So the boss have police in my house here now. All because of that girl every day.
So all when the banana not tough like spanner. Me a link for me two Spanish girl in a Panama. She fuck police and him lose him job. And she fucked up killer with them shooting stand.
She fuck police and him lose him job. She fuck top killer. And him get knocked same time.
She fuck police and him lose him job. And she fucked up killer with them shooting stand. She have a flow man where she make crashy van. And a chopper where just lose every client when him scam.
She have a flow man where she make crashy van, crashy flow van, crashy people in her vehicle. And she have a top scammer will lose all her client them. That girl a pussy salt man. The mineral can't save your mama.
She have a flow man where she make crashy van. And a chopper where just lose every client when him scam. Better you go baptize. Some girls start like that boy. iPhone 15 top life. Push girl I use Nokia flashlight. Good pussy don't come with bad vibes. Wrong timing, call back on time. Did I get you one in long time? Stop coming that bitch.
Yo, them police are real hungry belly police, you know. Look why police come in and come thief. They pick the juice out of fridge. They pick the snack. I want them police. Me surprised I never thief when I egg them out of tree.
Pussy don't come with bad vibes.
Thief some money.
Long time in call back on time. Did I get you one in long time?
Him thief for egg though. We never see it.
Wrong time in call back on time. Did I get you one in long?
Then the egg now go broken in your pocket, officer. Eh? I saw your teeth. One full egg. But you take your whole chair. One egg, officer.
Stop coming that bitch.
Pick the juice. Salt, man. Salt. One bag of salt.
Gyal.
God. Yo. Think of yourself, you know. Credit la. La boss, me said, La boss have the most the topic them, bro. The topic them a lot about sing about different, bro. Just want to big up the ladies them and know say yo them pussy, them pum pum bring life, them good pum pum bring life. Big up them girls there. When know say yo any man you take, and you left a boy never left yet and say you salt. Big up the girls that know say yo, your pussy help man flourish in life. Big up the girl when know say yo, you wanna look for your beautiful kids, you say yes, that's my baby, and it's good looking, it's not bad looking. Big up the ladies that know say yo them blessed from birth. Can you have some gyal crosses? Yeah, but still, this time I'm gonna leave the one. Still, if you enjoy the one and want to see more from a G, click on the screen and there's other videos there you can see floating around and floating around. Alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.